This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about garnish bowls or dishes, specifically these great little cocktail bowls. They're all made of white porcelain and they are chip and crack resistant, which means they're great for heavy use in commercial environments and perfect for use at home. They'll stand up to that wear and tear of heavy use, especially if you like to throw some lovely little cocktail parties. There's a couple of different styles and sizes. In the round version, you have the 12-ounce 2-compartment, right? You can see you have nice deep bowls. They're round with kind of this tapered feel to them, but they're also connected, right? So beautiful, classic, sleek, elegant design. Fantastic. There's also the 3-compartment version of the same thing that holds up to 18 ounces. In the square version, we have the 18-ounce 3-compartment, which you can see has a more squared off design to it, and the 4-compartment 24-ounce. You have those lovely little points there. So these are perfect dishes for cocktail parties. You can use them to hold small appetizers, things like nuts or party mix, even things to put out like candy if you want to leave something for your guests at your hostess station. They're great for stuff like pickles or olives, even to put things like dips or sauces in, especially if you want to keep those things together. Like if I wanted to make a few different dips or sauces for a particular dish and I want to make sure that they stay together at my buffet, this is a great way to line them up, pop a little spoon in, and you have a nice, beautiful presentation that makes sure that somebody doesn't walk off with one of the bowls. They're great for things like dressing, or even if you want to up the presentation, say for the garnishes for your cocktails at a party and you want to have something nicer to put them out than that kind of traditional little black guy with the lid that flips up. That's just not too fancy, right? And they're also great for things like relishes, chips, pretzels, if you want to put out snacks on the bar or next to maybe, I don't know, some other appetizers or crudité. These are just great versatile pieces because they have these kind of classically elegant designs, right? They're just nice, sleek, subtle, and modern. They're white, so they're really basic, but they're also fancy enough that you could use them at everyday parties, barbecues, picnics, or your next holiday party or nice cocktail event. They're great for use at home, but can also be used in restaurants, bars, or any other kind of professional environment.